Hello everyone again, friends. We are here again in our new video. You want to create a subcategory or sub-collection in Shopify. How can you do this? First of all, you may be a little confused because it is very different from WordPress logic. I will try to explain in the simplest way, and I'm going to try to show you more than one way. In this video, I'm going to try to show you a little bit actually automatic. We will also be talking about category automatic collection creation. Of course, we will come to the detailed video in the next videos about automatic collection creation. In this video, you want to create a category such as watches, jewelry, or pants under our menswear category. How can you do this? It doesn't work with WordPress logic. If it was with WordPress logic, we would choose menswear where we create a new category. But when we create a new category and say, for example, we wrote watch here, our watch category is actually a men's watch category. And now, if we want to have this product in the men's watch category, the most basic subcategory logic here works like this. What did we do? We created a watch category and called it automatic. We called it automatic and told us that if we write male in the product tag, if the men's and watch category matches each other, we automatically pull the product directly here. Now let's show this first logic. For example, we said record. Now our collection has arrived. Now our collection has arrived. We see it here. Watch product tag male. Now let's come to our products. Let's say the product is organized here. Now, we came here. When we arrived, as you can see, normally our watch category should appear here, and if you wish, I have also saved our page from scratch as follows. Now I want to explain the automatic category logic. Let's refresh our page. Our new watch collection did not come here. Why? Because we made it automatic now. What we wrote in the automatic. If it says male, move it to the watch category. We wrote male when we saved it as we tagged male. Let's refresh our page again. As you can see, Friends automatically pulled the watch category without doing anything. Why? Because all products with a male label. We added it to the watch category. Now it's very straightforward, practical, and simple. Well, Haja, now, okay, we are selling the ring right now, but it was added to this watch. So what do you think we need to do? We go directly to our watch category here. Male. When we type clock, and we will ask them to apply all conditions instead of any condition, such as those with a male and watch label. Add this category. Now we have saved it and we are back to our product. As we checked when we went back to our product, our category was deleted. Why? Because now only in male we are here. If we had tagged a man in our category that says male, it would have gone to the male category. Now it is neither in the male category nor in the watch category. Category is nowhere to be found. Now if we put a clock on it, if we refresh our page again, as you can see right now, it is successfully our product. Don't get hung up on product visuals right now. We perceive it as a watch right now. As we wrote the men's watch label, he added it to us in the watch category. Creating an automatic category is that simple. Now, teacher, we have created this category. We also want to show it as a subcategory on the site. How can we do that? Normally, this is a separate video topic. I'm going to shoot a separate video, but in this video, I'm going to show it so that you can perceive it in one go. Where do we do this? Click on our online store button. From here, we go to our navigation page. When we add a menu from the navigation page, Here we can add, let's write a top menu, for example. We created our sample top menu. We will add a product to our menu. We will add a category, or we will add any link. For example, men's clothing. Let's write menswear directly. Our collection came. As you can see, it did. Our menswear collection. And we're going to add a watch underneath it. We clicked on our collection here, and here is our watch collection. Now these are sub-sub. But if we want you to wear men's, let's save it directly under the men's menu like the menu logic in WordPress by drag and drop. Now our product has been added to the watch category, as you can see. So creating a subcategory is that simple, friends. Once you have created the menu you want, you can automate it and add it as a subcategory. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to leave any questions you have in the comments below. See you in the next video.